Inside, hands up, inside, hands down. Standardies, attention. Standardies, attention. Hands cover up. Inside, hands up, clap. Inside, hands down. Standardies, attention. Standardies, attention. Now I would like to call speakers to give their speech.
Namaskar and very warm good morning to you all. As you all know, it's me Gangan Orkuti from grade 4. Respect Vice Principal Sir, Principal Sir, teacher, sister, brother and my dear friend. I am going to tell a short and sweet speech on the topic of my best friend. Before starting my topic, I like to thank the organizers who have organized this type of program is to increase comfortable of the student. Confident level of the student. My topic is goes like this. My best friend. I have many friends, but I like Manju. She is my best friend. We are student of same school. We read same class. She take bath daily. She neat and clean. Neat and clean. She love everybody. Thank you and have a nice day.
Hands cover up. Inside, hands up. Inside, hands down. Standardies, attention. Standardies, attention. So now I would like to call our Vice Principal Sir to give some information.
Thank you, Srijal. Standardies. Attention. Standardies. Everybody check your jacket. Whether the zipper is fixed or not. I can see some of the students' zipper is still damaged. Or they are not willing to use it. Why? Ariana, give me what about your jacket? Is it up to date? Get new jacket.